mercy programs. The house becomes, a place of shelter. So many friends, they're looking for a place to feel good about. Everybody's looking for shelter. So if your home becomes a shelter, you can just invite friends somehow or another. Like, I'm gonna send Sebas Baruch a little video and some pictures of just this weekend. I have a friend of mine who just got a new apartment and he's getting into Bhakti Yoga. He's learning, he's reading now the Bhagavad Gita. And I explained to him and I told him, wow, it's so important for you to clean your place before you move. I mean, in India, they do this, they blow the conchos, they chant the name of the Lord in different rooms. And he told me, oh my God, I want to do that in my house. Can you do that? Can we do that? He was so enthusiastic about it. So I told him, okay, I do it, but you have to invite few friends so they can participate and also they can, get to eat a little food and I can give a little cooking class. And he told me, oh my God, don't tell me, really, would you do that for me? So, everybody's looking for fun. Everybody wants to do something in the weekend. So you just have to find a way to invite people to your home or go to the people's home. So I told my friend, look, why don't go to Orlando? I have some fun with my daughter. And at the same time, I give you, a little cooking class so you can learn how to do veggie meatballs. And I teach you how to do paneer, which is like homemade cheese. In that way you can, replace, the beef and all that stuff. So anyway, it happened this weekend. He invited a very nice Christian man. We prayed together. We chant Hallelujah together, Hare Krishna together. They understood very clearly when we were cooking and having the cooking class. They actually, that's the favorite part. Guru Maharaj, all glories to you. The favorite part is that they really appreciate that I told them that we should don't desire the food because we all together, we were doing an offering to the Lord. And it was so beautiful. They left very happy. They want to come back and they want to come to the community here. Now they want to come and visit the temple. And of course, they're open-minded, to culturally try to understand, Krishna consciousness. So this is just a little clip that I have to do for Sebas Baruch Prabhu and for his wonderful service. I am nobody. I'm just trying to follow Guru Maharaj's mercy to open the house, chant Hare Krishna, and give prasadam to the people and give them friendship. That's what it's all about. Hare Krishna.